What if your code could soar across the internet without ever worrying about servers or hardware? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what serverless computing promises, and it's changing the game for developers everywhere. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how it's transforming the tech world in ways we never thought possible. Serverless computing, it started off as a wild dream in the halls of Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. These tech giants imagined a future where developers could focus purely on creativity. No more wrestling with server configurations or troubleshooting networking hiccups. Suddenly, that dream became reality, and a whole new era of cloud computing was born. Now, let's talk about Alex, a bright developer who used to spend late nights hunched over his keyboard, checking server logs, scaling infrastructure by hand. And now, Alex hits a few keys and bam! His application is live for millions of users around the globe. No more late night firefights or complicated server rooms. That's the power of serverless. Picture a grand orchestra of cloud services, each playing its part to create a harmonious performance. Serverless is like the conductor that keeps everything in perfect sync. And well, you have the three big serverless applications. First, AWS Lambda, the virtuoso. Imagine you have a multi-talented musician who can pick up any instrument and then knock out a flawless tune. That is AWS Lambda. Whether it's handling a surge in online sales on Black Friday or crunching real-time data from a satellite, Lambda steps up to the mic and delivers every time. Then we've got Azure Functions, a chameleon that adapts to whatever you throw at it. Need a simple timer to run a scheduled task? Done. Have a complex event processor that needs to juggle tons of data? No sweat. Azure Functions slip seamlessly into any role, always ready to shapeshift as your needs evolve. Lastly, say hello to Google Cloud Run, the sprinter of this orchestration. Think of an Olympic runner in the starting blocks, just waiting for a gun to go off. Cloud Run takes your containerized apps and launches them at breakneck speed, making short work of high-demand situations without breaking a sweat. And this isn't just about theoretical tech magic. Serverless is powering some mind-blowing transformations in the real world. Have you ever used one of those Coca-Cola freestyle machines? You know, the ones that let you pick from a bunch of different flavors and even mix them up? These high-tech dispensers are powered by AWS serverless architecture, which means each pour is recorded, analyzed, and then improved upon. It isn't just a vending machine anymore. It's a personalized beverage experience that learns from choices you make. And we can't talk about serverless without mentioning Netflix. They use AWS Lambda like a magic wand to transcode video files and personalize streaming for millions of viewers. What used to be a painstaking, time-intensive process now happens almost instantly, like the snap of your fingers, so you can binge watch your favorite shows without a hitch. And well, in the finance world, FINRA manages stock trading data with serverless solutions that feel almost psychic. They analyze massive amounts of trade, scaling up and down with the market volatility just like it's no big deal. Tasks that once took weeks now happen in hours, turning raw data into insights that keep the market running smoothly. Serverless computing is just getting started. Imagine a day where entire cities are run on serverless functions, adjusting traffic lights and energy grids in real time, or when AI assistants know what you need before you do. The sky is the limit, and that's exactly why so many people are diving into this fast-moving wave of innovation. As serverless tech continues to blur that line between idea and reality, it's clear this is more than just another trend. It's a bold new way of thinking about how we create and deploy software. A future where we can dream big and bring those dreams to life without the heavy lifting of traditional infrastructure. Are you ready to ride the serverless wave? Well, if you're just excited about the possibilities and maybe a little overwhelmed by them, don't worry, I've got you covered. For expert guidance, check out my company, Bluegrass Cloud. Whether you're a startup looking to dip your toes in serverless for the first time, or you're an established enterprise aiming to go all in, Bluegrass Cloud is here to help you navigate every step of your journey. So what are you waiting for? smash the like button, drop the comment with your biggest serverless question, and make sure to subscribe to more cloud computing insights. Let's embrace this serverless future together, and remember, the only limit is your imagination.